generate yourself.
I was relatively young. I was 28 or so. We were so excited to come into the United States to see what is America like.
The intent is to regulate the proposed gathering by the Buddhists.
Totally negative response from these people. They said, I don't want hippies coming over my backyard like a free-for-all.
Money comes, money goes, but Kalachakra will happen.
We were all part of this larger counter-cultural movement, the 70s.
So Buddhism doesn't belong to a particular nation or a particular continent. Buddhism is coming west. Certain differences really there. So gradually become a Western Buddhism. That I think should.
When his holiness walked up, it's like, this is why we're doing this. Same work.
This is like putting your stake in the ground for peace. Let there be peace.
I came away with a sense that what I view as ordinary reality is just scratching the surface.
Experience of the Kalachakra gave me the feeling that I could do this, that Buddha nature was within me.
Now generate yourself as having 1,000 times that Bodhisattva's compassion.
The path that Kalachakra Tantra offers ultimately is a path of discovery. The mind discovering its own true nature.
I gave Kalachakra initiation several times, but still I'm as a student. So this occasion is very, very, very helpful for me, for my own study.
It's really such an honor to be here for us to be able to express our thanks to the monastic community at Deer Park, both past and present, for everything they've done for us and given to us and continue to work to give to us. We're all here tonight to help them help us, and it's certainly fitting. So thank you so much to all our friends at Deer Park. We appreciate it so much. I'm sure for a lot of people here tonight, when you look at the temple, it brings back such memories.
Jasu Yamasoto change those news and Shani Perushi but in the Tango Sagan the Canada bit Shiva that the Keshila Gita Keshilu Subala Toma Chidong Did you tell good and 근데 통마 아리를 태비 갑라 아니 통마 아리를 태비 갑라 그 계실라겠다 공사장변 심부터 아니 이 토림롭다 비스감스 토림롭다라서 덴데 쉬네 아니 미망라 깔나에 다른 디지 비추샤 아니 디디 잠바 계실라겠다
standing. The history of the temple and what took place is extraordinary. It was used extensively for over 30 plus years by Geshe Sobola, and Geshe Sobola taught many Sunday teachings in there, and many great lamas, Geshis. Before and during the Kalachakra initiation, interviews with His Holiness and Geshe Sobola, participants and students who were present during that landmark event. And some of their reflections afterwards. Actually, there are some more during afterwards. Deer Park is happy that we're able to share this unique story with the world and what took place on that remarkable summer of 1981. Our sincere thanks to Mr.
Ril chashegene sane shen mebe ke gomba mune tane samji mi cheba dinde jore dinal shube gishila khona number so yimbe inde mune tane denda the tower ta gishi ser de rina shishin diga dinde ji kandar dil gomba shu che ngena mune chende nange yimbe na ini khadui ne yegelia shu chokche dinde jore jeza ni tab Gombe ki thone ngachi person da hajang ki cutting chamuna yore ta taring de la Gombe ki thone ngara ju benju tu ente mixing tanda thungol haga shiksu senem do nyamsu benju tu indi do la chama number changme ki shande une hang saya nang du del phe me wala so yan number to ta ko malu ki kaching sa so ni dinama Katu sanje rangi sung dole sung begi indema sikje chini chma shu chuko chi wa pene tyogul ya ro ramden nam bi mochi be yu kang chi ba theni da gi ino kang kim na sha ba theni da gi ma ino. So the translation is, what is given away is mine, and what is kept at home is not mine. Giving donations towards the spiritual works, right? And Kang Chimboteni Longju Mise Longju Se Mishebago Kang Kim Shapoteni Sebar Euro. And the translation is, what is given away will never exhaust wealth. Yeah? And what is kept at home will eventually exhaust. So very deep. But all we need to understand is, the wealth kept at home will eventually exhaust. It's never going to, give birth to, little babies. So yeah, that is Dorang doing to ne lung the next tour while in Chesa number 2. That is Nye Shumogovici Dorang to the lung de Shubati de Kandar Cha Chobanamina, Pay Kandijume, that is Sevudina Sunswan. And Naranjo Pebe looks well and I'm teaching your wall, Gombakala, Chidi Java Pay, you are number to 10 to wear. Yeah, Chidi Java, we have this culture or traditions of like visiting or all the temples or the monastery with a little bit, a few drops of the butter or the melted butter in each what do you call the butter lamp, right? So Chidi Java Pay here, Jumzen did it. Chidi Ching Mother Jaya, maybe Jumzen Chin Peggy or Marwa. Chudi Jaya, when it Chudi Chubumam.
This let's don't stay uptight. Let's loosen up, have fun. All right, moment up. I'm ready. Let's have fun.
Years